Just put it in. The needles don't hurt, babe. All the way in. Wow. It looks just like you. It looks just like her. That's crazy. It does not look just like yes, it does, babe. Oh shit, what is up guys? It's your boy Jackknife 2000. Today guys, we're going to Branson, Missouri. We're gonna go to the Titanic restaurant and grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna also head to the Ripley's Believe It or Not museum in Branson, Missouri, guys. So I hope you guys, sorry about that. This thing is like super heavy, man. This is the new vlog camera, by the way. But I hope you guys join me on this journey, and I will see you guys there. All right, guys, we made it to where I'm supposed to drop my car off. We made it out here. We're about to go to Branson now. That's my car over there. This is the place I'm taking it. They're mechanics, man, so they're about to handle this business real quick for your boy. And then we will go. That's my babe. She's camera shy, guys. You guys know that. All right, guys, here we are. Going down the damn road. We're almost there. Make sure you guys can see me good. We're on our way to Branson, and it's getting dark out here. It's getting like, I'll start flipping around so you guys can see. Yeah, so it's really it's really like cloudy out here, guys. That's the difference between one place and another place. You probably couldn't even hear me good. And like I said, that's the difference between one place to another place, is that it can change at any second. Sorry that the car is bouncing around so hard, but yeah. Anyways, guys, so we'll be pulling up at Ripley's Believe It or Not, and I'm at, yeah, Ripley's Believe It or Not. That's where we're going.
You said the wax museum.
We're going to Ripley's, man. Ripley's Believe It or Not. You look good on this camera, babe. Look at her driving, guys. She's perfect. Look at her. She's got her head in the game. She's focused on the road. She's not texting and driving. I do have a clip of her, but I don't know if I'm gonna be lazy enough not to put it in, but there's a clip of her when we did a vlog a long time ago. She was driving, and yeah, she was texting and driving when we had the PT Cruiser. Anyways, guys.
See you there somewhere.
Hollywood Wax Museum. Oh, look at that. Excuse me, Jesus. Alrighty then, guys. We are on our freaking way. Yeah, that's the Titanic. Exhibit open today. This is the Titanic of Rohan, guys. Check it out. Yeah, I'm saying Rohan again. Damn, your window is hella tiny, babe. Shit. Roll the window down. Check that out, guys. It's called the Titanic, and it's pretty awesome. Let's get a good zoom in action on that bad boy right there. Wow, look at that, man. That is nice. Branson during the winter time is not that good. It just doesn't look fun. It just looks like a shithole, actually. It's true. All right, so we're getting ready to pull up to Ripley's Believe It or Not. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go over here and handle this business. Here. God, Jesus. No parking spaces up in the front. Of course there's not. Of course there's not. Why would there be any parking space? What the hell? Jesus. Babe, what?
Babe, shut up.
You should have seen the way she did. You talk about my driving, you should have just seen what happened. Alright guys, so we made it to this place, and now we're gonna switch back to the old camera. Alright guys, we made it inside Ripley's Believe It or Not. Here we go guys. I'm going to be filming / taking lots of pictures for you guys, so check it out.
I'm kind of.
It's alright.
I'm so glad to be able to see some of the unbelievable things I've collected. That's Kenny. My day, a trip from New York to the heart of China took months. You know, my travel took me to hundreds of countries. Some of them no longer exist. Everywhere I went.
Look at the freaking globe. He just pushed the globe, supposedly.
I've met women with necks 15 inches long. A man with a horn growing from the top of his head. I've uncovered wonderful works of art.
Alright guys, check this out real quick. Matchsticks. This thing is made out of matchsticks. Check it out. Freaking matchsticks, bro. 10 Commandments. That's awesome. It's made completely and utterly out of matchsticks. There it is if you guys want to take a look at that. Oriental wine vest. That's cool. I'll let you guys pause on that real quick. Come back up here, you got a steak. I don't know what the freak all that stuff is, but let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see the ingredients right there. Wow, that's what come with the pack. Chinese coin sword. This will cut the skin off your ass.
We gotta take the watch off because it keeps running murders. So how do you do it?
I'll be sharing with you your fortune.
It's starting to get good up in here. Hey babe, how many equirials, triangles? How many triangles? Is it, how many equilator, blah, blah, triangles? 20, guys. Is it 12? Is it 18? Let's take a look. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think 12, but it might be more. I don't know.
You stupid.
Wrong.
Oh, no.
12 is the wrong answer, guys.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
No.
So you're telling me that it's 20. How about here? How about here? How many triangles are here? Okay, guys. You count and let me know in the comment section what you guys got real quick. I'll leave it right here. You guys can pause it and see how much triangles you guys see. Alright. I'm going to count myself and then cut to it. I got 36. Freaking wrong. How many did you guys get? Apparently there's 100. That's crazy. Apparently there's 100. A fish has a head 6 inches long, a tail as long as it is the head and the body. How long is the fish? Babe, come lift the flap. I want to see it on camera.
Come reach your mouth.
46 inches.
48.
Oh. Looking at the spinning woman. Babe, just a second. Looking at the spinning woman, and if she is turning right, the right side of your brain is working. If she's turning right. If she's turning left, the left side of your brain is working. 160 or better IQ. You put your hand where the butt was, babe? Oh, wow. That's my face print, guys. Now you do yours. Just put it in. The needles don't hurt, man. All the way in. Wow. It looks just like you. It looks just like her. That's crazy.
It does not look just
Yes, it does, babe.
Your portion is mine for the killing and yours for the healing. Come, let's all start telling more.
That's crazy. Wow. Babe, you grab the jewel.
I already did. Grab it.
No, babe.
Babe,
It's
just
scary.
grab it. No, it's not. Just grab it.
Babe, you grab it. I heard it make noise.
Did.
Babe.
Just do it.
I don't want to. You do it.
Just do it.
She's gonna grab the jewel for us, guys.
No, I already
Go ahead. No, you didn't. I didn't see you do it.
You did it first now.
No, babe. Come on, you do it.
I would do it for you. So go ahead.
Come on, babe. Just grab the damn jewel, man. What the heck? Babe, I'm afraid. I'm afraid to grab it. You grab it, babe. It's freaky. What's the object of this?
Don't let it touch the metal or it makes a sound.
And let's all start sharing with you your fortune.
Whoosh. It's because I'm holding this camera. Can you grab this camera real quick? I did pretty good.
Babe.
Wait. What's that supposed to do?
What's the sound now?
Grab the jewel, man. What does it do? Just tell me what it does. And I'll grab it. Does it shock you or something?
No, it doesn't hurt you in any way.
Oh God. I can't grab it. It's a hologram? Freaking hologram jewel. Jeez. Man.